Vaping was sold to the public as a tool to help smokers give up their addiction. The medical industry says that's rubbish and has welcomed a federal government decision to ban the import of disposable, single-use vapes into Australia.
Vaping that's happening in this country is hurting people, hurting the environment, and it's just a terrible thing hooking in new generations. So all these measures, I hope countries around the world will look at what's happening in here and see it as a model for helping and protecting people in their own countries.
Vaping in Australia is limited to those who have a prescription, and vapes required for medical reasons are available at chemists and pharmacies. Despite these restrictions, the uptake of e-cigarettes is still on the increase. A study by Australia's Cancer Council found 9 out of 10 teenagers had vaped.
We've seen retailers flout the laws and sell these products to young people. So these rules are fundamentally necessary, and we are certainly keeping a watching brief on whether we do see, in fact, a reduced use and access of these products by young people next year.
It's with that in mind the federal government is targeting a thriving black market, with flavoured disposable vapes imported from China being sold illegally through convenience stores. As well as banning the imports of disposable vapes, the federal government plans to introduce legislation to prevent local manufacturing and advertising. And from March, the imports of personal vapes will also be banned. But the industry says this approach is driving the black market, and vapes should be regulated the same way as cigarettes.
Right now you just have a rampant black market. 90% of vapers are accessing products that have no product standards under the table and buying them through crime syndicates. And we're just saying you can tax and regulate better products that consumers can access.
That argument has fallen on deaf ears, with Australia now legislating some of the toughest nicotine controls in the world. Clarke, Al Jazeera, Sydney.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.